Welcome to Casa Garcia cooking. Today we're gonna make coffee. Today we're gonna make Dalgona Coffee. Tutorial. The ingredients: milk, sugar, coffee, your choice, hot water. Then the things you need: a tablespoon, bowl, and a mixing. We're going first the coffee.
The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of warm or hot or warm water. Hot water. And then, so since I'm making it for 3 people, since I'm making for 3 people, I'm gonna put
6 tablespoons of that.
coffee,
3.
6 spoons of sugar, and then 6 spoons of hot water. Yeah, but the recipe calls for 1:1:1.
Next, 3 tablespoons of hot water. 6 tablespoons of hot water. Careful, kids. And then, I don't know what's next. We will mix them. Parent supervision. I think that's enough again. Take 2. Look at that. This runs the chef. He is Italian. Okay, we got the ice. It's cold. How many ice?
Iniisa-isa pa.
Only 1.
Only one?
Yeah.
That's it? That's a very sad ice.
Okay.
Now,
Take a picture of her.
now we need milk. Usually put milk. What's wrong with me? How many? Now we will put the sauce. Dalgona
Coffee mixture.
mixture. Daddy will put it in.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Take this one.
Just put it normally.
You say something.
This is the finished product.
What's next to say?
Taste it.
Mix like a say something while you're doing it.
Mixing.
Mixing! Sabihin mo yun tayo. Para maganda naman.
Here it looks like ice.
You taste mo na, Belle.
Taste it. Starlight.
Good. And then when you taste it, there's
Look at the
the
camera.
frosting. Whatever it's called.
Dalgona.
Dalgona mixture. I don't mix this one too. Try it.
Try it.
Try to make it.
Try it and do it at try it at home. Stay home.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye si ano, giraffe.